Did you know that you can make over $10,000 just by using your phone and from anywhere in the world? All you have to do is download this app, but the catch is… Hey everybody, it's the Millennial Entrepreneur here and welcome to my channel. This is where I teach everybody how I was able to build a 7-figure online business by simply using the strategies I teach on my channel. And trust me, if I can do it, you can too. The reason I love these strategies is because it allows me to live a life of freedom, where I can travel the world, choose my work hours, and be financially free. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you have a phone? Do you have an internet connection? Do you also have 5 to 10 minutes to spare each day? If the answer is yes, then you have everything you need to make this method work for you today. Not only can you make $10,000, but you can reinvest your earnings to outsource your work and build your own future. I will walk you through it step by step, but first, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Because the sooner you watch them, the sooner you can use them to start earning more money. Alright, so the app we're going to be using is available on Android and iOS, and it doesn't matter where you are because it's available worldwide. You may have heard of this app before, but we won't be using it for what you think. I will show you how you can spend less than 5 minutes a day on this app on your phone and still make a significant amount of money. So the app we're going to be using is TikTok. And no, don't worry, you don't have to show your face on camera. This process is very simple. It doesn't matter if you've used this app before or if you haven't. It's extremely easy and anyone can do it. Okay, so first of all, TikTok is a social media platform that lets you watch, create, and share short videos from your phone. It's still relatively new, but almost has the same monthly visitors as Instagram, which is over 1 billion active users. Yes, that is how many people are on this app, which means that there is a lot of potential here. And since it's all new, it's very easy for you to get established even as a beginner. Sometimes all you need is a simple video, and you can go super viral and make an absolute killing with the method we will be using on this video. Now, these videos only need to be less than 10 seconds long, so if you film a couple of less than 10-second videos on your phone without even showing your face, then you can make a lot more than just $10,000. Let me just show you some examples of people that are doing this successfully on TikTok. These are everyday people like you and me. They recently started as complete beginners with 0 followers, but they are not using the method I am going to show you today, which means they are leaving a lot of money on the table because they did not watch this video. Therefore, if you watch this video till the end, you will be one step ahead. Here's the first example. This lady is posting 10-second videos and literally has 20 of them. She started less than 2 weeks ago and already she has millions of views. That is what I'm talking about. You don't need to be an expert to do this, and I found this one randomly. There are like millions of such people on this app. She's nothing special and she's not doing anything impossible. She, however, did not use the method I will show you, and because of that, she's not making any money. There's one thing that she forgot that is stopping her from making thousands of dollars. You're gonna want to pay attention so I can show you how you'll do this, so you set it up and do not make the same mistakes as these guys. Anyway, so what is she doing exactly? She's just recording short videos in her kitchen and showing people what she cooks. That's it. It cannot get simpler than that. Again, do not worry, you do not need to record yourself on video. But you must be doing something I'm gonna share with you that will actually make you money. So you gotta use this website where you will post random TikTok videos. You can see that it supports different payment options and you can get paid even through a bank transfer, PayPal, WebMoney, etc. But I personally prefer PayPal anytime. So let us get back to TikTok. So this girl is just reposting short videos of her garden and she started really recently, but she already has millions of views. But because she did not watch this video, like you, she is losing a lot of money. And I will show you why exactly. Here's another video of these guys. They could be making a ton of money, but they're not. The point is that you can film anything that you're passionate about. If, for example, you like fishing, make 10 different 10-second videos, and you really do not have to be a professional. All you have to do is press the record button, film something for 10 seconds, and you have the potential to make lots of money online. It really cannot get simpler than that. You don't have to talk, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to edit anything. You don't even have to be an expert, and as you can see, everyday people are doing this. You don't have to invest any money at all, and you can start with $0. All you have to do is take advantage of TikTok while it's new. You will make money on autopilot. The best part is that you can make simple 10-second videos which you can actually take less than 20 minutes to do. These videos will stay on TikTok forever, earning you a passive income. How insane is that? You don't have to do what others have done, just choose your niche and film around. If you love to film your cat or football or anything else, just do it. So how do you make tens of thousands of dollars? But right before we dive into that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon because I will be posting videos about making money online every day. So if you hear the bell icon, it will alert you whenever I have a new strategy just like this one, so you can make money online. So here's how. Start by creating a free account on TikTok. And in your bio, just like on your Instagram, you can put a link. What you need to do is put one simple link in your bio, then start posting simple 10-second videos on your platform. Then TikTok will get you traffic and you will make money. You do not have to do anything at all, just post the videos. What you need to do is go to gearbest.com. This is a website that is pretty similar to Amazon, where people buy and sell physical products. There are all sorts of categories in all niches, but you don't have to sell any products here. And what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and then click on Associate Program. This will take you over to this page where it says Affiliate Programs. The reason why I chose this over Amazon Associates is that this one gives you up to 50% commission. And this means if you refer someone to this program with your unique link and they spend like $1,000 on the products, then you will make up to $500 for free, simply by referring them here. Just one single person and on TikTok and you can meet thousands of people. Just click join now and then grab your affiliate link and then put it on your bio. So there are thousands of products on this page and you can choose the products within your niche. For example, if you're dealing with cooking, then choose cooking products and put them in your TikTok bio. And this is because all the people watching your videos are interested in cooking, and if they buy the products, then you will make 50% of the sales. This has an unlimited earning potential, and if you have the time to create multiple profiles, you can do that, and then use different niches to advertise different products and make literally a lot of money from this. In summary, record whichever video you wish. It could be in whichever niche, then add an affiliate link on the bio and that's it. You don't have to do any shipping for this. And that's it. Pretty simple, huh? If you want an even faster way to make money, check out the next video in this playlist as it's one of my personal favorites. As always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.